Hey everyone, what's up? I am Ahsoka Tano 22. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing. So, let's get to it. Now, for the record, I tore off the label here for privacy reasons because I can, and yeah. All right, let's get my knife after this. All right, and also I forgot to mention that this particular item is from HerUniverse.com, and I'm so excited to unbox it. I have not opened it yet. So let's get on it. All right, let's go ahead and get in. And there was a piece of paper in here that I removed. It had personal information and I didn't want anything to go out there. All right, let's see. I have a pretty good idea of what it is, and I'm so oh my gosh. And now see, one of my favorite Star Wars characters is from the Clone Wars, and it's Ahsoka Tano, and oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this! Oh my gosh! It even has her lightsabers! Look at how cool! Oh man, and I had been needing a new purse. This is awesome! Oh my gosh, this is amazing! I'm gonna take it out of the bag and see it in all its glory. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. I mean, like, what? There's even like a little keychain right there of Ahsoka. That is just so cool. Thank you, Ashley Eckstein, and thank you, HerUniverse. I love this purse. It is amazing. And you will definitely see me with this every day. So, yeah. Yay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.